Welcome to Zhenfu Ship Design's new patent display. Zhenfu Ship Design possess numerous ship technologies and patents. This video mainly presents new patents related to multi-hulls. With this new technology, the stability of multi-hulls can be improved when sailing at high speeds. It can simultaneously increase sailing speed and reduce fuel consumption. The so-called multi-hull refers to the transverse connection of two or more slender hulls to form an overall ship. The hulls are connected via deck bridges. Each hull has its own independent propulsion device. If three hulls are joined together, it is called a trimaran. Therefore, that the boat usually consists of more than two hulls are called multi-hulls. Since multi-hulls connect more than two hulls together transversely, therefore, it can better withstand strong winds and waves on the sea and it is less likely to capsize. When sailing at high speed, two relatively slender hulls can reduce the resistance of the hull, and compared with a single hull of the same tonnage, the overall width is larger, resulting in higher transport efficiency. However, their disadvantage is poor resistance performance when sailing at high speeds. The adaptability of waves is not ideal either. The following are the advantages and disadvantages compared between single hull and multi-hull. The construction cost of a single hull is lower than that of a multi-hull. In addition, the single hull design makes it more flexible in control and steering. To compare with the single hull design, the multi-hulls can have a better stability when sailing. It makes the journey much smoother, and reduces seasickness. Besides, due to the fact that the hull resistance is smaller, so the sailing speed is faster. Since multi-hulls generally have larger internal spaces than single hulls, they can have a more comfortable experience while sailing. However, the disadvantage of multi-hull is the cost is relatively high. Generally speaking, a multi-hull will form a bulkhead A1 between the two hulls A, and a passageway B going through from the bow to the stern is formed between the two adjacent bulkheads A1. When the boat is launched, bulkhead A1 and passageway B are both located below the waterline. Therefore, the contact area between the water and the bottom of the ship is increased, thereby improving the stability of the ship. The purpose of this patent is to further increase the sailing speed while maintaining the stability. Its main method is to connect at least one wing panel between adjacent hulls and bulkheads, or between two adjacent bulkheads. The length of the winglet is generally designed to extend from approximately 1/4 of the way from the bow, front, of the ship to 1/4 of the way from the stern, rear, of the ship. In addition, the cross-sectional shape is an upper surface and a lower surface with curvature, and the curvature of the upper surface is greater than the curvature of the lower surface. When the multi-hull structure of the ship travels through the water, through the principle of water flow dynamics, the pressure above the upper surface will be less than the pressure below the lower surface, and the water can be used to provide lift to the lower surface of the winglet. Through this structure, the hull can further improve its buoyancy when traveling at high speeds, thereby increasing sailing speed and reducing fuel consumption. The planar structure of the winglets can also further enhance the stability of the hull when it runs aground. This effectively prevents the risk of the hull capsizing. The above is a brief introduction to this patent. Thank you for watching our patent technology showcase. If you have any questions about our patented technology or need more detailed information, please contact our professional team. Looking forward to cooperating with you. Lastly, thank you for watching.